Let's do one more on this side. Now, when you run your slide, you'll notice that it has those cool little borders we've just created. You can do a lot of things with this. You can click on a border, and down here in the paint bucket, you can change the fill color. Let's say we want it to be a little darker blue, kind of a purplish almost. You can change the line color. Let's say we want the line around the edge to be white. And you can change the text color. Now these borders actually include text that you can click in here and type some text. And you can change their color with this font color tool. You can also do a lot more things with the fill. If you select the next to the paint bucket, the little arrow next to it, you choose Fill Effects. You have a lot of options here for different ways that you can have it look. Let's select the texture, and let's go with this kind of matte colored texture. Press OK. As you can see, it's filled our border with a matte, and if we press F5, that top border is a matte with the others being the original light blue colors. This is a very effective tool for adding a little bit of color to your Microsoft PowerPoint slides. My name is Dave Andrews, and I've just showed you how to create custom slide borders with Microsoft PowerPoint.